Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is for all of my people out there that are using your smartphone for your content creation, especially for all of my vloggers out there. If you're vlogging on your smartphone, today I got something for you that's gonna help you take your video making to the next level, which is the Rode Microphones Universal Vlogging Kit, a filmmaking kit for mobile phones. It's going to work for all smartphones. So whether you have an iOS device or an Android device, you're not gonna have to worry. It's going to be compatible with this kit right here. And I already have it set up and ready to go. I mean, it's pretty much straightforward. A vlogging kit, you got a small handheld tripod right here that can open up to be able to set it on a desk or a table. And then you can close it up like this to hold it out and just start talking to the camera so you can be able to vlog on your smartphone. And then of course connected to this is the mount for your mobile device. And then on top of this mount is another mount that's going to allow you to connect the microphone, or at least attach the microphone and this little small LED light that it comes with. Now you don't have to use this second mount up top. It's only if you're gonna be filming, you know, in like a low light situation, or if you're outside, the sun's going down, it's dark, you need to use that LED light. That's probably the only time you will use this second mount. But if it's during the day, you know, you're outside vlogging in the sunlight, you really only need to hook up the microphone, which you can do to the smartphone mount itself. But today we're gonna be testing out both of these. I gotta tell you guys, this little LED light right here, I mean, this thing is small. This little LED light right here gets super bright, and I mean super bright. A lot brighter than this ring light that I am currently using right now. This is only about maybe arm lengths away, and I have it at the brightest setting right now. And I'll tell you guys, this little light gets brighter than that right there. When I first turned it on, I thought I was gonna go blind. I literally almost blinded myself because of how bright it was. This also comes with these little filters right here in different colors, so you can be able to give your video a warm effect or a cooler effect, or kind of like a soft white effect, which is what I have on right now. So pretty cool that they added these little filters on that you can be able to use with this, which is going to help soften up that light. So I recommend putting one of those filters on before even turning that light on in front of your face, because you don't want the same thing to happen to you that happened to me. You do not want to go blind. So pretty cool little light. I'm surprised of how bright it gets for how small it is. And all it takes is just one button to turn it on, and you can be able to turn the brightness up or down just by pressing that button. But you press and hold to turn it on. Now, if your smartphone does not have a headphone jack, you are going to have to make sure that you have a little adapter like this so you can be able to hook up that microphone. And then also, again, with this little LED light right here, it does charge USB Type-C, which pretty much everybody has now. Everybody's got USB Type-C chargers, so you don't have to worry about going out and buying another one, but it does come with a USB Type-C cable in the box. But yeah, so that's pretty much it when it comes to the overall vlogging kit. As far as quality goes, this is of a plastic build when it comes to the actual small handheld tripod, and then the rest of it is of metal build. So if you're gonna be holding it out for a long period of time, it could probably start to feel heavy after a pretty long while because of the metal build on top. It does add a bit of weight to it, but I mean, overall, I think it's really cool, really nice looking. I really like the matte black that it has down here at the bottom. It's just an overall really looking nice little vlogging kit. But now we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna go ahead and just, do a little vlog style video so we can test this out. We can be able to test out the quality of the microphone, and then we'll also test out the light as well so you guys can see just how good it works. So let's go ahead and go test it out. All right, so I am now on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra front-facing camera. As you can see, it is pretty dark right now. I don't yet have that LED light on right now because I wanted to show you guys kind of a before and after I turn it on. But I am using the Rode microphone that does come with this kit. So let me know what you think about the overall sound quality, how well my voice is coming through that mic. But now, let's go ahead and turn on this LED light to see how much of a difference it actually makes. Boom, woo, that is bright. And I don't even think it's at the brightest setting. Let's go ahead and change up the brightness here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so I believe that's the brightest setting, which is really bright, and I do have the filter on. Now this is the lowest setting right here. So as you can see, even at the lowest setting, this light is more than bright enough. It's definitely brightening up my entire face, my body, even the background. So if you're planning on recording in a very low light situation like this light is definitely going to come in handy. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Let me go ahead and go up to the next setting here. Look at that, so you can see what this looks like if I were to move around, just vlogging, talking. I really don't want to show you guys over there. It's kind of a mess in my hotel room right now. Let's go ahead and switch it up to the next bright setting. Woo! That is bright. I can't look at it because of how bright it is. But y'all let me know what you think. Maybe I'll have to wear some sunglasses when using it. And this is the brightest setting right here. super, super bright. I mean, I'm sure after a while you'll probably get used to it, but it's definitely going to come in handy when recording video, especially if you're using the rear camera. You can always turn that light around and record what's in front of you. So it's definitely going to come in handy. Let me go ahead and turn it back down like this. All right, there we go. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Let's go ahead and head outside. We'll just kind of do a little vlog style video, test this out, see, you know, how well it does. All right, so I have made my way outside, and I will say that this little setup right here definitely makes handling the phone a whole lot easier, and it also helps out with stabilization as well. Even though it is not a gimbal, it still helps you from not shaking the phone so much, because me personally, if I'm holding my phone out handheld like this, I tend to be a little bit shaky. So this is definitely helping out with that shakiness, which is going to help out with stabilization as well. And even just handling the phone, if I were to move back and forth like this, you know, you got those active vloggers that are just, you know, they run around, they do stuff like this. Oh, look at this right here, look where I'm at, or look over here, look at this. This is definitely gonna help to give you more control over your device when recording video. So yeah, this is just me walking around. Now that I'm outside, how well is the mic picking up my voice? How well is the sound? Does it still sound as good as it did when we were inside the hotel? Let me know down in the comments. But look at this view. Such a beautiful view. I cannot get tired of this view right here. We got the Queen Mary back there. We got a couple of boats set up back there, and we even got a little boat over there. Look at that. I believe there's a couple people in there just kind of floating around, I guess, in the water. But yeah, definitely a very beautiful view. Again, let me know what you guys think. Not so much about the quality of the video, because this is not, you know, about the smartphone. This is more about the vlogging kit that I am using. Let me know what you think about stabilization. Does it seem like it's helping stabilization, or does it seem a bit shaky to you guys? Let me know. What I can say is that it definitely helps give you more control over your device when recording. Even if I were to switch it up to the rear facing, I could still talk to you guys and show you guys what's going on. It just makes it so much easier to handle this device. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Woo! So there you have it, the Rode Microphones vlogging kit for your mobile device. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the overall setup here? What do you think about that bright LED light? The sound quality of the microphone? How well do you think my voice was coming through? Did it block out a lot of the background sound while I was outside? Let me know down in the comment sections below what you think of this kit right here. If you do find yourself interested, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below. I believe it's going for around 150 bucks right now on Amazon at the time of this video, which I personally think is a pretty good deal for this. For what you are getting in this right here, it's a pretty good deal. So again, if you find yourself interested, I'll drop a link down in the description below. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quiñones. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.